Baka mahulog. Hindi, please, grandma. Yan. Yeah, they're talking to you now. Hi, guys. How are you? May kausama. You need purple? Yeah, so now, are you gonna teach grandma how to do it? You have to teach grandma how to do it. Hindi pa, kakaano pa lang. Niya? Namatay din pala si Inchik. Inchik yung kapatid niya. Sandali, hindi, pasalamat ka na lang. Hindi natin alam anong ano ng Diyos. Ah, okey. As grandma, hindi natin alam ang ano ng Diyos. Sino bang nakakaalam? Kaya nagsisimba nga tayo. Pink, hindi ko alam. Magkano ang ipad mo? Hindi ko alam ate. Pink. Oo, ganun talaga ang buhay. There's no question. That's why I always encourage you guys to go to church, 'di ba? Yun ang inaano kay Auntie Piling, sinasabi. Oo nga. Oo, wag na natin banggitin yung mga hindi magaganda. Sige, there's nothing more. That's why keep on going to church. Mhm. Gilana. Mm. You have to put it here. Imadalagay mo dito yung mga bilog mo. What happened? Oh, what you doing? Oh, put the you have to have a yellow too. Or you put it away now? No more pink?